everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making butterfly pea flower water. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to put my butterfly pea flowers into my warm water. I'm going to stir this for a second and then let it sit for about 5 minutes so it can steep. You can let it steep for longer or shorter. It won't be wrong at all. It's totally a preference for color and flavor. I suggest trying a few different times to see which flavor you prefer. The flavor is very mild, so you might not taste the difference, just the color will be brighter. This is a picture of how it looked after 4 minutes. Now, I'm going to put a small strainer on top of my pitcher full of water and pour my butterfly pea flower water into it. This is so that the butterfly pea flowers don't go into the pitcher. And my butterfly pea flower water is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!